Oh, all right, people, what's going on? And these lights are not working right now. All right, so let me adjust this light. Quick video, real quick. Honestly, I really ain't got much to say. I know you guys see the title of the video. It's been a minute since I posted my last one. I posted my last one and I kind of said, like, you know, expect this and that, yada, yada, yada. Well, after that was posted, basically shit hit the fan. Let me back up, my bad. Family's good, I'm good. I'm well. Everything's good. Long story short, I'm sure everybody who watches this, 90% of the people who watch this, they didn't know that I was military. I am military currently, technically still. Active duty Army for 9.5 years. So after that video was posted, I went into the hospital. Not really divulging too much into it, but I got diagnosed with something. Long story short, according to the Army's like medical standards, I wasn't fit for duty. With the medications they have me on, I'm undeployable for the rest of my career. So that's what started my medical discharge process. So I'm posting this video basically to say, as of 2 days ago, I just received my DD-214. For you civilians who do not know what that is the coveted, most highest fucking paper you can receive, and it's basically your discharge from the military. You're no longer service member. I'm gonna just be frank with you. You get your freedom back, all kinds of stuff. That's the paper everybody looks for. That's the paper everybody gets when they get out. That's the one that says if you're honorable, dishonorable, you know, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, this is a super short video. I'm not even gonna edit it. I'm not gonna crop it or anything. As you can see, I mean, I'm in the wife's van, freaking super dark. All I'm saying is that I'm sorry for the lack of videos. Once the medical kind of stuff happened, I went down into like a funk. It was just like I was unmotivated to do stuff. I didn't want to do really anything to my truck. I think since that last video, I've only changed tires once. Like, I don't even really flip wheels and tires. Like, I'm not even on Facebook Marketplace anymore. So, I mean, not to get on my soapbox, all I'm saying is now, I don't know, it's weird. You get that paper, I'm processed out of the Army, like I'm done 100% everything, and it was just like, it's like I just drank like 10 Red Bulls. Service members who get out, they know what I'm talking about. You go through that funk as you're getting out, and then once you get that paper, or you might get a job offer, or you move back home, or, you know, you got something going on or whatever, you just get that like burst of motivation. And that's honestly what I have now. So be prepared. I'm not going to say, oh, I'm going to post here, I'm going to post there, I'm going to post on this day, I'm going to post on that day. Just know that I've been in Texas for like the past, well, I bounced around Texas, being stationed at different places, but technically, shoot, man, 6.5 years, other than like going overseas and like training and stuff. So we are getting ready to move back to Georgia for a couple months till I pick up this job, and then technically I come back to Texas and whatever. But next video, basically, if people have done it before, whatever, since I'm driving, I want to do it anyway. Next video is going to be a towing test, and it's basically well, I'll leave that for the next video. But yeah, all I'm saying is, guys, if you guys are watching this, I'm so glad you're 4 minutes and almost 10 seconds in. You stayed here. I appreciate the support. You know, like I said, I've literally had so many life changes within these past 5, almost 6 months, half a year or something like that. All I can say is just hang in tight with me. I don't know, your boy feel like he's kind of getting it back a little bit. Got a few things for the 4th gen. I do need to do a proper walk around, because I think the last one was just like, you know, it was just kind of a thrown together video. I want to do, you know, the walk around plans, everything, yada, 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 but it's neither here nor there. It's for another video. But I will say that I am going to be dropping another video within the next few days, maybe a week, because we are moving from Texas to Georgia. So and we're coming up on some type of winter storm, because right now, I don't know, it's like December of 2022. So we got some type of storm coming. So gonna be more focused on that and the road and everything. So we'll see. Let's just take it one step at a time. But hey, your boy's here. I'm well. I'm, you know, live. Family's good. Everything. Thanks for the support and everything. I don't even know what to say, honestly. But hey, you guys see it. Had to rip my dog. RIP Dolph. But yeah, hey, if you could like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Dust that bell off. Your boy's coming back. So I'm super excited. I am more than excited. I may not really seem like it, but in the backstages, like in the background, there's so many moving pieces. Some of my closest people know what's going on. They know the job I'm going for and what type of job it is and things like that. So I am super excited. 100% excited. It's weird, man. I'm telling you, like when you get that discharge paper from the military, I should say, it's surreal. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you do some time in there. It's surreal. So I'm excited. I can't wait. But hey, we are way over time. 6 minutes and like 25 seconds. Hey, my bad. I gotta go to sleep. All right. Peace.